There are many ways to make money online, and the best method will depend on your skills, interests, and availability. Here are some popular ways to make money online. Freelance work. If you have skills such as writing, graphic design, programming, or social media management, you can offer your services as a freelancer on websites such as Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer.com. Online surveys and market research. You can earn money by participating in online surveys and market research studies on websites such as Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Toluna. Online tutoring and teaching. If you have expertise in a subject such as math, science, or languages, you can offer your services as an online tutor or teacher on platforms such as Chegg, VIPKid, or Preply. Affiliate marketing. You can earn money by promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link. You can do this through websites such as Amazon Associates or ClickBank. E-commerce. You can sell products online through websites such as Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. You can also create your own online store using platforms such as Shopify or WooCommerce. Blogging and content creation. If you have a talent for writing or creating content such as videos or podcasts, you can monetize your content through advertising, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. Virtual assistants. You can offer administrative or other support services to businesses or individuals as a virtual assistant on websites such as Zirtual or Virtual Assistant Jobs. Remember that making money online may require some initial investment of time and effort, and not all methods will work for everyone. It's important to research and choose the method that works best for you and to be persistent and dedicated to your chosen path.